students, I am Triveni Biradar. Today we learn the concept of dielectric and polarization mechanism. So dielectric normally called insulator, and it can also be called non-conducting materials. You are familiar about the insulators and non-conductors. In both materials electricity does not pass. Dielectric are the material which do not allow electricity to flow in them but show the electric effect. A dielectric is an electrical insulator that can be polarized when their applied electric field is applied. Examples: H2, H2O, mica, benzenes, diamond, HCl, etc. Dielectric materials are those which have the ability to get electrically polarized and in which electric field can exist. Also, they do not allow electric current to flow through when they are subjected to ordinary temperature. Now let us see the electric dipole. Dipoles means just a separation of their electric charges. Then a pair of equal and opposite charges whose distance of separation is very small is called as the electric dipole. The dipole moment of this arrangement is given by mu equal to QL. The product of magnitude of one of charges and distance of separation is called as the dipole moment. There are the two types of a dipole's moment. Dielectrics are, first one is non-polar dielectrics and the second one is polar dielectrics. Now let us say the first one is non-polar dielectrics. The non-polar dielectrics have the symmetrical in shape. The dielectric materials in which the effective center of this positive charge with a negative charge are coincide in the absence of electric field is called as a non-polar dielectric. Examples are air, paper, diamond, benzenes, H2, CO2, etc. Let us take one example. That one is the CO2. O is oxygen. This one O is oxygen. C stands for the carbon. O is negative. O is negative. This C is the positive. See, the center of mass of this O is here and this center of mass of is here and the center of mass of this C is here. Then the both of this center of mass of this O is here, means the center of mass of this C at the positive and center of mass of this negative is coincide at this place, means both the dipoles are opposite and cancels. Hence the dipole moments P equal to 0. Both they are coincide at one place. Hence it is the non-polar dielectrics. Now let us see the polar dielectrics. Polar dielectrics are symmetrical in shape. This dielectric in which effective center of this positive does not coincide with these negative charges in the absence of electric field is called as the polar dielectrics. A polar dielectric materials made up of a molecule which having there are the permanent dipoles but oriented randomly. On applying the electric field, these dipoles align with their electric field and they creates their dipole moments. Now let us see example of this one is, take here H2O. You can see from this figure that the center of mass of this positive is here. The center of mass of this one is the positive is here. Then O is stand for the oxygen. H is for the hydrogen. Now both of this center of mass is here. Okay. Now that one, this center of mass of negative is here. Then there is a separation created between this negative to positive. There is a gap is formation between this negative to positive, and this, so the dipole moments it is from the negative to positive. Similarly, here is a separation between this one is HCl also. So there is the negative and positive are not coincide in this non-polar polar dielectrics molecules. Next one is the dielectric constant. Dielectric constant, it is the ratio of capacitance of the capacitor with the dielectric medium with the capacitance of the capacitor without the dielectric material is called as the dielectric constant. It is represented as epsilon r, where C is the capacitance of the capacitor with dielectric, C0 is the capacitor of the capacitance without dielectric, and epsilon r is called as the relative permittivity. And there are some dielectric constant values of some material are listed below. See, there are the list are for the dielectric materials and give their respective values. Now see the for a benzene it is the value, it is 2.25, for the diamond it is 5.5, NCl is a 12.5, S2 is a 81. These dielectric constants are material depends upon the structure, applied field and the temperature. Next one is dielectric loss. The dielectric loss, it is defined as the amount of energy lost in the form of a heat due to the alignment or the realignment of these dipoles, and this loss arises in the material under the application of their AC field only. Now come to the next point is polarization. Now see, in this diagram we take the two plates, okay, one with the positive and other one with in negative charge. Now in between these two plates place the dielectric between these two plates. Now the dielectric is influenced to the electric field, okay. Now the negative charge is placed at one side, negative charge is placed at one side, and the positive charge it is placed at other side. On this condition, positive to negative, there is induced electric field is produced. Positive to negative, induced electric field EI is produced. Now we can find the E net equal to E0 minus EI. Both are opposite in direction and they subtract. But in dielectric, produced induced electric field is weak. Induced electric field cannot cancel to external electric field. It cannot cancel to external electric field. So the value is E net equal to E0 minus EI epsilon not is not equal to 0. Due to this E net, some energy is stored in present inside this plate. That energy is stored in capacitor. In dielectric, no free electrons, they are very tightly bounded. The atoms are little bit displaced. These atoms are little bit displaced, or just like it is called as a alignment. Inside the atom, negative charge goes to the positive charge, okay, and this positive charge goes away. Similarly, the next atom likewise, like all the atoms are little bit displaced, or just like a stretch, negative at one side and the positive at other side, and the alignment is takes place. That one is the new word is coming, that is called as the polarization. Polarization, it is the process in which displacement of the charges takes place as the electric field is applied. The dielectric polarization occurs when the dipole moment is formed in an insulating material because of an external applied electric field. So there are the four types of dielectric polarization mechanisms are there. So first one is electronic polarization, ionic polarization, orientational polarization, space charge polarization. Now let us say one by one. First polarization mechanism is electronic polarization. You can see in this diagram, in that first diagram there is a E equal to 0 and here is E is applied, okay. Now see, it occurs due to the displacement of positive and the negative charge in the dielectric material due to the application of an external electric field, and this separation is created between the charges leads to a development of their dipole moment. After applying the electric field, so there is a dipole moment is created. The electronic polarizability is given by alpha E equal to epsilon 0 in bracket epsilon r minus 1 by n, where n is a number of atoms per unit volume. Now the second one is ionic polarization. Similarly, here also see in this diagram, in first diagram E equal to 0 and after that electric field is applied. This dielectric ionic polarization occurs only in the ionic bonds such as NaCl, HCl, etc. And when these ionic solids are subjected to an external electric field, see in this negative and the positive charges are there, it undergo the displacement. And how to take this displacement? The displacement takes place, they increase the distance between this or decrease their bond length. See here, there is a increase their distance between there and here is a decrease. So their bond length leads to a dipole moment. Next one is orientational polarization. In this polarization mechanism, it occurs only in polar dielectrics. Consider there is a polar dielectrics as shown in figure. The dipoles are oriented randomly in the absence of electric field, and when the electric field is applied, these polar dielectric materials are aligned with their electric field and it leads to a polarization. The dipoles are aligned with their electric field in this orientational polarization. The orientational polarization is given by alpha 0 equal to mu square by 3 kt, where mu is the permanent dipole moment, k is the Boltzmann constant, T is temperature. Now the last one is the space charge polarization. This space charge polarization occurs in multiphase dielectric material. When these materials are subjected to the electric field, these charges are accumulated at their interface but in their opposite polarity. See in this diagram, this one is the at opposite polarity, here is negative charges and here is the positive charges. These charges are accumulated at the interface of this. So it leads to the dipole moments. So arrangement of the charges in the absence of electric field, and when there is applied, the arrangement of the charges see in these diagrams. So thank you.